urban mobility, the trend is moving towards autonomous cars and buses. Siemens Mobility is pioneering smart and autonomous trams with a unique research project. In 2018, we put the first prototype on rails in Potsdam and challenged it in real-life traffic conditions. People on the tracks, cars crossing the tracks, changing signals, attention at stops. In all of these situations, the trams learn to drive, using sensors as digital eyes to read the environment. The system's brain and its intelligent algorithms were used to evaluate, predict, and decide, while the job of the actuators was to take the right action. The research project was demonstrated live in Potsdam during the InnoTrans 2018. Prepare for the era of smart and autonomous trams. Their time will come. Teaching trams to drive. Stay tuned.